Hey, if you want to connect Apple Watch Series 10 into your iPhone, first of all, you will have to open the settings on your iPhone. Go for the Bluetooth and simply you will have to be sure that you turn it on with this switcher. Next, what you have to do is just to go into the watch application. And now you will have to click to start pairing. Select for what you want to set up, so I'm gonna do this for myself. And now we have to hold Apple Watch to the camera. So as you can see, now we can find this animation on the Apple Watch. So we have to align it with the viewfinder above. So take a look, that's actually quite simple. That's how it looks. When your frame turns green, it means that you properly applied. If it doesn't work, then you will have to prepare the good source of light. And now as you can see, I've got this kind of information that my Apple Watch is paired. So I can restore from backup or, for example, set up as a new Apple Watch. So that's what I'm gonna do. I want to set it up as a new one. And here we can set the wrist preference between the left or the right one. Then click continue. Right now, after you choose your wrist orientation, you will have to wait for this connection. And this may actually take a moment, so we have to also wait. Now we've got the terms and condition that we have to agree in the right bottom corner. Now we got the watch analytics. If you don't want to share this with Apple, you will have to click don't share. And now we have to put the passcode. So if you don't need the passcode, you can click to add the passcode. I mean, don't add, but in my case, I want to do this. So we can create a short passcode with 4 numbers, or we can add the long one. So that's your choice. I'm gonna actually do this with the 4 to unlock it a little bit faster. And for example, I'm gonna input this one just for this video, 1111. Now this code can be easily guessed, but I want to use it anyway because it's just only for this video. So now we have to input the passcode one more time. And here we can set the bold text and the size for our Apple Watch. You can also set up this later in the settings, but of course we are gonna do this right now. Click OK. Here we have to input our personalized fitness and health. So we can input all of your data and enable wheelchair, for example. Click continue. And here we got the activity. So you can set up your activity. You can skip this step, that's your choice. Here we got the kilocalories per day. So we got 3 presets. You can even set the scheduled. And now we can click to change a move goal. There's like daily exercise goal. You can change it by tapping on the minus and plus. Click again, and also the same for daily stand goal. Now tap on it, and here you can get the notifications about your health. So for example, about the noise environment, the low heart rate, the high heart rate. So if you want to, I mean, it's like really useful. So I would actually stay with these features enabled. So click continue. And here we can find the emergency SOS, car crash detection, and the back track. So click continue. Now we got all of these gestures, like the double tap, and that's how it actually looks. Here we can also find another information about the depth. So this is the application that can automatically be opened under the water and measure temperature, time, and depth to 6 meters, which is really useful if you are swimming and diving. So we can do this right now. You can don't open it automatically, that's your choice. In my case, I would like to actually get this application to be opened automatically. And now, as you can see, our Apple Watch is synchronizing with our iPhone. So here we can find this animation, and when it fulfills this circle, it means that everything will be fine. So click to get to know your watch, and here you can find some base information like base tutorial, and you can click down in the right upper corner. Now you will have to just wait, and as you can see right now the update is finished. So what you can find, the update about our Apple account, you can click OK. And now as you can see, we've got this animation. We can click start. Here we got information about the current software. We got watchOS 11. So you can take a tour, or we can just skip this and start using our device. And now we got some base notifications, like for example about the location about the password, so we have to actually verify account. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and right now please subscribe.